Here's a common door issue in the East Valley. You get these exterior doors that get exposed to the elements, and a lot of times the bottom portion of the jamb and trim ends up getting rotted. So I've done a lot of these, and the fix that we'll do here is going to make it a little bit better and a little bit more resistant to future problems. So stay tuned. Here we're getting into the repair, cutting out the bad sections. As you can see here, this one's kind of cleaned up a little bit better, working on this side. And a lot of people would say, well, maybe you should just replace the entire door, and that is a solution, but sometimes that's not affordable or needed. In this case, we're going to be able to recreate the jamb, reinforce it, and bring it back up to speed at a price that's affordable for the homeowner, and will end up looking pretty good. So here's our repair complete. We've got a new threshold put in with barrier, new trim, new jamb, new insulation, tied it in real nicely so it's paint ready, and should be good to go.